National Weather Service in Grand Forks has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Beltrami County until 6:15 p.m. At 5:33 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over western Upper Red Lake, or 45 miles north of Bemidji, moving southeast at 65 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado and tennis ball size hail. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Blackduck, Lower Red Lake, Panama, Kelliher, Upper Red Lake, Washkish, and Otto. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.